One day, Julian, too, legit Spinny Boy, was sitting on the beach enjoying himself, when suddenly he heard a sound. On the other side of the beach, a beautiful creature, known as Eternal Chunky Toes, was breathing and standing there. And Julian, too, legit Spinny Boy, heard breathing on the other side of the room. Don't question his logic, okay? As soon as he heard beautiful breathing, he fell instantly in love. Eternal Chunky Toes didn't notice him because he was on the other side of the room. So he just stood there breathing continuously. When Eternal Chunky Toes did not return his feelings, quotation, he started to get sad and remembered the sad memories of his sad and tragic and dark past. In his dark past, he had fallen in love with another one. But Black Wolfer didn't return his feelings, which made Julian, too, legit Spinny Boy sad. Very sad. He didn't want to lose his one true love, Eternal Chunky Toes. One day, Julian, too, legit Spinny Boy, was casually, not suspiciously, nothing stalkerish, walking down the street, and he suddenly ended up in this romantic, beautiful cherry field thingy when he saw her sleeping. He gasped in gaspy face. Yeah, well, he gasped in gaspy face and hid behind the flower thing. The flower thing, he hid behind it. Eternal Chunky Toes didn't notice. She just slept soundly. Julian, too, legit Spinny Boy, so blushy face. He loved her, and she loved ice cream. He loved her, and she loved the log. When he found this out, he was so off-brought. He gasped in gaspy face and approached her with sad eyes. Sad eyes. She turned her back to him and said, "No, you are not to me." And then he got angry too. And then they all were angry. So then Eternal stabbed him. And he died. Eternal then gasped-faced and said, "What did I done? What have I done?" When suddenly, Julian, too, legit Spinny Boy, arose from the dead and turned into a ghost. That night, when she returned home into her lovely little bed, she slept soundly, thinking nothing could go wrong. But she was wrong. Before her very eyes, to Julian, too, legit Spinny Boy ghost appeared, and he haunted her. Booga booga booga. She screamed did, and then fainted did, and died did. The only thing that was left was her wedding dress, so she decided that she would marry legit Modern Bean, also known as Julian, too, legit Spinny Boy. Eternal Chunky Toes kind of awkwardly smiled, you know, a kind of weird frown smile thing, but you know, they did it. So they had a spectacular ghost wedding, and they all lived happily ever after. The end. Or is it?